Hey mama, you wanna go to some stores? You wanna get a strawberry refresher?
Look, Mom, a hawk.
Can you take a walk with me?
Take a walk on the wild side.
So today we're out in search of a Starbucks.
We know where one is, but we don't want to walk. I don't want to walk in that cold weather. And it's windy, it's hard on my lungs. But we found one. But they don't open until 2:30.
Because it's on the college campus and because the employees drinking and smoking weed all night and they're just waking up right now. Probably, right? Alright. You didn't even have to worry about walking steady today. The wind is enough to just knock somebody right over. Oh, watch
That
it.
was just for a show.
Oh, that was for show?
Yeah, I was just kidding. I was acting.
Ah, you're like MJ. Oh, let's go stand next to the food truck. It's probably warm there.
Oh, yeah.
I don't know if I would order any food off of the UP Chinese truck.
I wouldn't.
Look at
But
it.
there's a Mexican truck up there. It's not a restaurant. And they're not Mexican. But the food is pretty good.
So it's 30 below zero. You can go like 170 blocks that way to get to the Penn store.
Or
You can go one block that way to get a strawberry ice cold refresher.
I know, but do you see uphill? That's uphill.
That is uphill. But even if you go 100 blocks downhill, then you're gonna have to come 100 blocks back uphill.
Yeah. All right.
What do you want to do?
Let's go this way.
Why decide on this side of the street if we can decide on the other side of the street, right? Watch out for this guy. He's an Uber. Alright. I think your decision's been made.
Yeah.
So how you feeling?
Good.
What are you going to talk about today?
Who?
What? Who? Anything.
Getting close. Look at this guy. It looks like he's not going anywhere.
She's going uphill.
He's pedaling, and it looks like... That's funny. That's what I feel like when I'm walking. I feel like I'm walking and not going anywhere.
Alright. Let's go into Starbucks and get an ice cold drink, huh? Oh, wait a minute. You know that we boycott this place. What do you think? Just because you almost died, you're allowed to get Starbucks?
Well, you were getting Starbucks while I was dying.
Well, I had no other options. Are you excited to be heading home soon?
That's what we were talking about. Getting closer to me going home. It's just like and I'm getting a little excited, a little anxious. So I think I'm gonna miss this place. Good. I got.
So why'd you get two drinks? You get a hot drink and a cold drink?
Well, I love the strawberry refreshers because I'm always thirsty. But I walked in and I saw this advertised and I said, oh, that's going to be a good drink. And I am not disappointed. It is delicious.
You double fisting?
Very cold today and windy.
Oh.
I got these cool tie-dye pants. This awesome scarf to match.
Nice.
So, you
guys are ever near Hayden, New Jersey, Hayden Field, what is it?
Haddon Township, Haddonville.
New Jersey. Cute little town. There's a place called Joey's Unique Boutique. She's got some nice cool things.
So, congratulations.
I made it.
You made it back.
You made it. Congratulations to you. This car keeps on going back and forth, back and forth. Don't drop my coffee. Finally parked. Okay. Leave your guns and knives at the door.
Alright, there you go. Oh, it feels so good. Baby, you do me a favor though with your vlogs that you do, alright? Can you do them like indoors or in a car or in the summertime? Can you shoot like a whole bunch in the summertime?
Then you're not.
And then
That's
like
not
rat
fun.
hole them?
I'm not gonna let you bring me down from experiencing new things, like freezing the butt up is one. I have a bunch of stuff to check off my list.
Your butt's still there.
Chickens. So you're always invited, but you don't have to come. To see my bird. See what happens. See what Nobody's
Is that her?
There she is, Sunshine.
Hi. Hi, baby. You're so adorable.
That's not sunshine. This is me.
You're Sunshine?
I'm your daughter.
This is not my video. This is Mommy's video. Don't talk to me.
Why'd you change out of your pretty dress?